YouTube. What's up with the YouTube? It's your boy Murda G's with another bang, man. Family. Y'all seen that title, gang. We finna be using the suppressed ARP, gang. No faking. But before we get into that, we finna check out the update. No cap. Say it, gang. This all he added. He added the Glock 34, the Glock 34 extended, suppressed ARP. He added that to the tier 1 subscribers. Y'all got y'all another gun, family. No faking. He added the Glock 8 drum. He added the Glock 23 drum. Both of them junk game passes. He added the Nissan GTR, the Chevy Tahoe, shit like that. New chain, new hairstyle. I ain't gonna lie though, gang. I gotta get them gold Cartier shades though. No faking. Add a little flashlight and shit, tasers around the map. Little slice shit, gang. I ain't gonna lie, but we here for the guns though. You already know what we finna use, gang. We gonna get into that Glock S and that Glock 23 drum a little later, gang. No fake. We for sure finna get into this suppressed ARP. But you know we don't do no talk. Other than that, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video before I smack. So literally gonna get into the action, family. No faking. I ain't gonna lie. You know I'm finna bump down all that wax. This shit crazy. This shit get wicked out here, gang. No cap. Sersky, big boy, ARP suppressed. I ain't gonna lie, they just looking sexy, no faking. You know I already got the run with it, gang. This bitch smack, no cap. We got the camo tan on it too. No faking, no faking. Hold on, I need to turn my sound on though. I'm bushing. Oh, they out here going ham. We need to push up on that, gang. Brother might be blicked up. Better play it safe. People better stay out the way. Who is this? He said, what's that gun? Hold on, gang. I'm in the hole. I'm finna get into it. These mans real quick, gang. How did he shoot me? Please get up. Come here. Stop running from me. Stop running from me, little boy. Stop running from me. What? He hit me twice, gang.
What am I, nigga? I need some cash.
You said what, gang?
Give me some cash.
You said what, family?
Nigga, I said give me some cash, bro.
You said give you some cash. Alright.
Yeah, bro, give me some.
My bad, family. Alright, say no more, gang. Say no more. Say no more, gang. Say no more. Say that. I got you, gang. My bad, gang. Say that. Say that. Let me give you your cash, bro. You got that, gang? My... For real, gang, my bad. Nah, I ain't got no ops, family. We coolin', gang. We coolin', gang. Nah, I ain't got no ops, gang. Bro, dirt. LeBron came up and said, give me some money. I had to send him the money, gang. He was on the right. He demanded some money. LeBron demanded some money. I'm gonna fuck with him. I don't know when these niggas got a gun or not, gang. I'm scared to get my wheel. I knew it. I knew it, gang. I knew it. What? Come here. Don't run. Come in here with that. Come in here with that. Get that loot, gang. Lil' bro thought he was sweet. I'm still ain't finna get my car yet. I don't trust him. I knew it. I knew somebody was gonna be out here. I knew it. Get out that car. I can't see. I head tapped them. Please don't hit me, guy. Yes, the memes working with me. Get up. The memes working with me. Appreciate that, family. I'm glad they ain't just beat on me while I was on the ground, gang. They was gonna beat on me, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Them folks specialize in If I had an extra one on me, I would have got them right. No fake. I do not want to call my car, gang. Every time I call my car, a nigga gonna bump down. Look, it's two niggas right there. They wait. Look, they finna run out. Like, look, they finna run in here, gang. They finna hop out. Like, watch this. I don't get out. I knew it. Look, he got chop on him. I knew it. I knew it. Come on, gang. Let them come up here if they bad. Oh! We killed each other, bro. No way, gang. We on it.
Bro, who wanna catch a fade, bro? I wanna catch a fade, bro.
You said what, family?
I'm not catching a fade.
You said, hey, family, fade. Hey, family, you say you want to catch a fade, gang? You say you want to catch? Oh, you want it? You want it on it? What's up? What's up? You want it on it? You want it on it? You want it on it? What's up? I'm on it. What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm on it. I'm on it, little boy. Yeah. She beat that boy. What's up with him, guy? Blick, let me go give me a blick, guy. Everybody blick me. I just had to beat that boy. Came in there like, who want to catch a fade? What's up with that young bull? Feel me, fam? What's up with that young bull, fam? Like he ain't see Murda G standing right there. You know Murda G bump down your street blowing heat. Put that up. Put that up. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want? What do you on, guy? He ain't on nothing. That little boy ain't doing nothing. That little boy just got dead by somebody else. What's up with that little boy? Pull up on me like that. I thought we was cool, gang. I thought we was cool, gangster. That's that little boy shooting people from the corner and shit. This little boy hitting people from a distance, gang. He hide. Look at him hide. He want a corner peek. Oh, he a corner peek. That little boy a corner peek, gang. Look at him. He's scared. He don't know what to do. Oh, God. Toast that boy. What gun you want, gun? You can pick any one. Micro ARP set on one. No cap, no cap. Helping me. What he doing? Oh, he working with them? And look, he finna get killed. He helping me, but instead of him helping me, he killed me. We could have just flushed everybody over there. No cow. And then he turn around and get killed by the people he trying to help and be friends with. The bro trying to be buddy and got slushed. That's what happened, guy. Trying to be buddy and got slushed. Look at little bird and they on it. They got their trenched. I'm glad, guy. Yes. he finna go put that shit up. Ooh, he finna go put that shit up. He just came up. He locked the door and everything. No, I'm finna go chase. Yeah, they a lot. I'm gonna wait till he come out though. The bro hit the lick start changing clothes. Oh! I need that. I need that. You almost got me too. LeBron almost got me too, gang. Who they need finna pull up? Who they need just pulled up finna hop out? You heard that? See, that's why I don't instantly go to my save. Niggas they be watching, gang. They be on it. 19 Edward. I don't even want that bitch. No! No! Fuck! I smacked one of that. I don't even get no fuck. Who that is blowing it up here? Bro, I'm going ham. But bro just did Come here. Ain't no running for that. Come here. Ain't no running. It was one more. The bro was behind that garbage can. I don't know what he skedadded to, but I'm finna find him. No fake. Where LeBron skedadded to, gang? Stop playing with me, young man. What's up with Lil Bro? Stay in your play, gang. What's up with Lil Bro? What he thought was gonna happen, gang? He thought it was sweet. How about put that boy on your feet? He took this Ted that LeBron, I'm scared. Hey, that LeBron up in here with their 5'7", they be killing people for no reason. This LeBron right here, he better not come outside. He better not come outside, little boy. He's scared, LeBron scared. He's scared of this switch. He's scared. Of this switch. Oh my, bruh. And I get shot by a ram. Please get up. Please get up. I got shot by a random and I still got up and escaped. I got shot by a random. I still got up and escaped. LeBron them suck. He's scared of this switch. Scared, he wanna follow me. I ain't going nowhere. Keep following me, gang. I'm just healing up, gang. Hey, I wish we can pick up dead bodies, gang. I'm just healing up. He's scared of this switch. He's scared. He's scared of this switch. He's scared. Scared of this switch. He's scared. What Lil Bro thinking, gang? Lil Bro scared. Lil Bro trying to do all that moving like he cold. Got his ass drenched. No faking. No Murda G don't play that. Murda G come through born. That nigga play the Murda G come through torn. He's scared. He's scared of this switch. He's scared. The bro would not stop moving around, man. Fuck it. He's scared of this switch. He's scared. What's up with LeBron? Bro in there hiding with the junk. You're in there hiding, freeloading. Come outside and play, gang. Where you going? Bring your ass back. Give his ass have it cold. What he on? I ran out of ammo, gang. What he on? What he on? What he on? What he on, gang? What they on, gang? I'm leaving shit stinking. I'm leaving shit stuck where you at, gang. Don't run up on me, gang. I'm leaving shit stuck where you at, gang. I'm leaving shit stuck where you at. Let nigga play get with the tech. Come outside and shoot at your neck. Give me that. Oh, what? That's the safe zone? LeBron up in here going ham. What's up with LeBron? Oh yeah, phone number. Oh yeah, phone number. Oh yeah, remember me? Look at him. This nigga's a noob. The brother's a noob. They all gotta go. They all got to go. They all have to go. They all have to go. You scared of this shit? Family, they all have to go. I'm trying to help them. He get to shooting at me from a body I looted. Please get up first. No, he got up first, gang. You're not getting that dumbass nigga. I'm trying to help him. He gonna loot the body and kill me. You can't help nobody these days, gang. Niggas be dumb. Well, nowhere, no faking. He's scared. He ran back in there so quick. He know who this is. He know who this is. Stop playing with me, little boy. Stop playing with me, little boy. Stop playing with me, little boy. He's scared. He's scared. I need all these guys. I need all these guys. Appreciate that, twin. You ain't my twin. You was my enemy. My enemy. Somebody just pulled out a blade. Oh, they say I'm tweaking, huh? They say you tweaking, huh? Fonel, what's up, Fonel? Broski, you good, broski? You don't want that belt did to you no more, broski? Y'all straight? Oh, y'all tired of getting belt put to y'all, broski? What's up? You straight, broski? You good, broski? What he on, gang? What broski on? You thought I ain't see that, gang? I'm always on point, gang. Hey, stay safe out here, gang. Broski, you good? You tired of getting belt put to you, broski? You gonna behave in my server, gang? Don't let me see you with no gun in your hand, family. You hear me? Now, go make some money, gang. Go make some money before I BTA. Real talk. Go make some money before I BTA. Hey, gang. What you doing over here, broski? What I tell you, broski? Didn't I tell you don't pull out no firearm in my town, gang? You tripping, broski. Don't pull out no firearm, broski. Unless I tell you to. You come to me and ask for permission, gang. What's up with them, gang? The brother them starting not to listen, gang. I'm for real, family. Oh. I just missed every fucking shot. I just potato bad, man. No fake. I ain't lie. Well, they strapped and ready. Look, they was finna bump down on dirt, guy. What y'all on, family? Y'all good, family? What y'all on? What y'all on, family? I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. Are you on that, broski? You on that, broski? Who is this calling my cellular the Villier Corncellier, gang? No, gang. Get on somewhere, broski. Get on somewhere, broski. What twin them at? I'm trying to look for twin now. What broski them at? What twin them at? Did broski up here? Did twin? Hey twin. I'ma need that up off you, twin. Twin, you know what time it is, twin. I'ma need that, twin. Come outside, twin. I'ma need that up off you, twin. Come on. What I tell you, twin? I told you I'ma need that, twin. I'ma need that, twin. Hey, twin. Hey, keep it pushing, twin, before you get hurt, twin. Keep it pushing, twin. Keep it pushing, twin. Oh. I ain't even mean to head tap you, twin. I hope you ain't dead, twin. I hope you ain't dead, family. You good over there. Good, guy. I'm up over here. Look at little twin. Hold on. I know this ain't little twin them. Little twin them twinning. Oh, oh my. Just did the twin. Where the other twin at? Where that other twin at? I ain't forget about you, twin. Yeah. The bro left his twin. Bro, you left your twin for dead, gang. I gotta do you. You left your twin for dead, gang. Oh, they was family that I had smacked. My bad, family. My bad, family. My bad, family. My bad, family. I ain't know that was you, gang. That was you this whole time, gang. Oh, wow. I'm so spanking at you, gang. My bad. My beef family. Man's up here. Say that. Oh, these some noobs. These some noobs. These some noobs. Stand over that boy. Hey, don't have no firearm out no more, little boy. I told you. I keep telling them, gang, they don't want to believe me. Just don't have no firearm out, gang. You'll be good. You'll be good and Gucci. Family, you gonna be good as long as you ain't got no firearm in your possession. If I don't see you with no gun, you can go have fun. No faking. Look at broski with the pose ski. I want that gun. I want that gun. I want that gun. Look at broski down there with the pose ski. Hope he think I ain't getting a waist ski. I hope he think he ain't getting a waist ski. Head tap. Head tap. Head tap. What's up with little broski? Don't take no firearm back out, broski. Real talk. I don't want to see him with no firearm in his hand. He on punishment. Hey, broski. Hey, broski. Go put them guns up, broski. Y'all heard me. Go put them guns up, broski, right now, broski. Go put them guns up, broski. Don't come out that gun store with them guns, broski. You better be in the range with them guns, bro. Hey, gang, don't come outside with them guns, broski. Take y'all butt back there to the range, gang. Real talk, broski. Y'all come outside with them guns, I'ma take them. Real talk. Don't come outside with them guns. What I just tell y'all? What I just tell y'all, broski? What I just tell y'all, broski? Broski. What I just tell y'all, broski? I told y'all don't come outside with them firearms. Only bro listen. Stay in there, broski. Don't come outside no more. And you go in that range. What's up with them, gang? Broski. Broski. Hold on. I gotta tell broski. Hey, broski. Broski, go put that gun up, broski. Hey, broski, go put that gun up right now, broski. Put that gun up, broski. Don't let me catch you with that gun now no more, broski. Real talk. Put that gun up right now, broski. Real talk. I had to tell that boy I saved him. I could have just drenched bro in the car right there, bro. Could have just drenched him. Next time I see him with that gun now, he gonna get spanked. Oh man. Broski, how many times tell you put that gun up, broski? I'm gonna spank him. I see he hard-headed, gang. He hard-headed. Say no more. LeBro hard-headed. I got something here, gang. Watch this. I see LeBro hard-headed, gang. You hard-headed, gang. Stop being hard-headed, broski. LeBro hard-headed, gang. Hey, bro, move, bro, before I body you, gang. You said what, young man? Come here. What you mean come here? You come here, nigga. I don't do all that, family. What's up with bro? He trying to backdoor. You trying to backdoor, gang? What you on, gang? You trying to backdoor or something? What y'all on, gang?
Last time, and I'm wondering why.
Hey, yeah, because you don't have no firearm out while I'm looking, bro. You asked me for permission, gang. Hey, gang. Stop playing with me, gang. Stop playing with me, little boy. Stop playing with me, little boy. Hey, come here. Come here right now. Where you going? Hey, what I tell you, gang? Come here. Hey, don't tell nobody this, bro. Don't tell nobody, bro. Look at these newbies. You lucky I just gave my gun away. I'll be right back. Oh, well, let that to be continued, gang. Look at them newbies. I gotta go talk to them noobs, man. Hold on, gang. I'm gonna go talk to them young bulls real quick. Ain't no way they sitting out there passing guns in the open like that. I guess they ain't used to the city, gang. They don't really know what's going on in the city, gang. They out in the open passing gun like they just big dog. Only big dogs can do that, gang. Only big dogs can do that, gang. I guess I gotta go show 'em, gang.